I'm going to use this another eyeshadow palette from Nicka K. This is the Under the Sea eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette to create this eye look. If you're wondering how I did this, then please watch the video till the end to know how I do this look. The previous two videos are linked in the description below. If you haven't checked them already, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. You can even subscribe if you haven't already, and do comment down below what do you think about this look. So yeah, without any further ado, let's begin. Okay guys, so welcome to the last episode of the eye look series. The series was all about creating 3 eye looks using 3 eyeshadow palettes, using these Nicka K eyeshadow palette. If you haven't watched my previous videos of the eye look series, I'm gonna put the link here. You can check them out. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's begin. Making of this eye look, and if you have, then please give this video a thumbs up. Please forward this video to your friends, family, relatives, cousins, boyfriend, girlfriend, and everybody out there who are. Please share, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. All I'm gonna go now. Just be safe, take care of yourself and everybody around you. I am gonna go now. I'll see you in my next